Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about ApeCoin price prediction and ApeCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for ApeCoin in 2022. ApeCoin is an ERC20 governance and utility token used within the Ape ecosystem to empower and incentivize a decentralized community building at the forefront of Web3. ApeCoin holders govern themselves via the decentralized governance framework controlling the ApeCoin DAO, and vote on how the ApeCoin DAO ecosystem fund should be used. The Ape Foundation administers proposals agreed upon by ApeCoin holders. ApeCoin is a decentralized project inspired by Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club project. ApeCoin was founded to be used within the burgeoning Ape ecosystem, which is supported by the Ape Foundation. The ApeCoin DAO aims to build and maintain the Ape ecosystem in a fair and inclusive way, providing an infrastructure for ApeCoin holders to collaborate through open and permissionless governance processes. An administrative council within the Ape Foundation, the board, will carry out the decisions of ApeCoin DAO members. The board is responsible for the day-to-day administration, bookkeeping, project management, and other tasks that ensure the community's ideas have the support they need to become a reality. ApeCoin DAO members vote on board members. Ape price prediction. Ape price ready to re-challenge $12.3 resistance on April 10. The ApeCoin and Ape price gave a massive breakout from the falling channel pattern, suggesting the end of its correction rally. Furthermore, the coin price turned down from the $12.3 resistance to retest this breached resistance. The renewed buying momentum spiked the altcoin by 9.89% to its current value at $11.6. The ApeUSDT pair witnessed a significant correction in the past 2 weeks, which discounted the altcoin by 32%. A falling channel pattern carried this retracement rally and plunged the coin price to $10.6 support. Responding to the bullish divergence in the RSI indicator, the Ape price bounced back from the $10.6 support and breached the resistance trendline of the channel pattern. Furthermore, the breakout rally reached the $12.3 resistance before reverting for a retest. The descending trendline flipped into viable support and initiated a new recovery rally. The post-rest rally pierced the $11.5 local resistance and registered a 9.89% gain. If the buyers sustain above this resistance, the coin price will re-challenge the $12.3 resistance to continue the bullish rally. So, the next news about Coinbase to create a Bored Ape film trilogy. If you have been dreaming of your big break in Hollywood, Coinbase may just have given you another chance. The exchange put its own spin on a popular crypto slang term by announcing its cooperation with Bake and ApeCoin for an interactive 3-part film series. The so-called Legend trilogy promises to build a new world and discover who you really are. Bored Ape NFT holders will be able to submit their ape for casting, while Mutant Ape holders have to wait until part 2 of the series to get a chance for their apes to feature. Ape holders will be able to get $10,000 worth of ApeCoin or Bitcoin as compensation deposited into their Coinbase account. If the ape changes owners, its movie-starring license changes hands too, but not the remuneration. The film's premiere will be at NFT.NYC in June 2022. William Swan, Coinbase's culture marketing director who was hired from traditional entertainment to head the exchange's media arm, said, "You can think of this as a love letter to the NFT tech that has provided so much creative liberation for artists. We really look to Bored Apes as sort of our North Star in the NFT space. They've created such a massive and engaging community." According to Swan, Yuga Labs, the company behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club, will not be involved with the production, but will have a say on the film's approval. Yuga Labs CEO Nicole Muniz said she was excited to see how the breakthrough project shapes the future of Web3 for all communities. The Legend trilogy's plot will reportedly be set in a chaotic midtown Manhattan that sees digital goods and services outpacing all other indicators for the first time as a measure of value in the market. The prologue further explains, "As the old system crumbles, whole new realms spring forth from the ashes. Enter the Degens, a new class of social adept versed in the constantly reinvented tools of an ever-accelerating economy." Cynics may say that in the face of accelerating inflation, the movie could just as well take place in the near future, but that will probably be for viewers to judge. Either way, it marks another impressive milestone of the Bored Apes' push into mainstream culture, following the recent launch of ApeCoin. Coinbase launched an open call for all Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT holders, hoping theirs will be cast in an upcoming film series. The exchange announced on Monday the upcoming production, which will be divided into a 3-part series called the Legend trilogy. Ape owners selected in the casting process will get a licensing fee of $10,000 in ApeCoin or Bitcoin, according to the film's website. The license will be recorded on-chain, and will continue with the ape into the secondary market. The Bored Ape Yacht Club said on Twitter that Mutant Ape Yacht Club will similarly be able to submit their apes for part 2 of the series. However, submissions will not be open to the Bored Ape Kennel Club. The film is set in the 2020s in a chaotic midtown Manhattan, when for the first time, digital goods and services have outpaced all other indicators as a measure of value in the market, according to the prologue. digital assets, and the related risks and opportunities. The order asked regulators to focus on how technological innovation may impact the larger goal of introducing crypto assets, with an eye toward those most vulnerable. The role of crypto in illicit finance. The increasing popularity of digital assets could heighten the risk that they may be used to launder money, finance terror groups and facilitate cybercrimes, the Biden administration warned. As such, the EO directed the Treasury Department, the Director of National Intelligence and the Department of Homeland Security, among others, to detail how cryptocurrencies could be used in illicit finance, and to form a coordinated action plan to mitigate the risks. The Treasury Department should use that action plan, as well as other interagency research, to form the basis for any rulemakings needed to address how cryptocurrencies could aid illegal activity, the White House said. According to the latest collected data, the current price of ApeCoin is $11.33, and BTC itself now occupies a place in the entire crypto ecosystem. The supply of ApeCoin in circulation is 277,500,000, with a market capitalization of $3,143,454,609. With the increase in trading volume and market capitalization, ApeCoin has increased by 3.77% in the last 24 hours. ApeCoin is still difficult to connect with other crypto coins. Over the past 7 days, Ape has fallen by almost 4.89%. The coin is still showing structure segment risk in the last few days. The coin may have strong fundamentals, but we do not think it will be a profitable asset in the short term. ApeCoin price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of ApeCoin will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 43 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 39 cents with a maximum price of 43 cents for 2022. Ape rate prediction 2023. Ape will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the ApeCoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the ApeCoin rate will be almost 54 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 66 cents. ApeCoin average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 56 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Ape rate prediction 2024. The value of ApeCoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. Ape is expected to reach a maximum rate of $0.93 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of ApeCoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Ape will be between 76 cents and 78 cents expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Ape ranges from 76 cents to 93 cents for 2024. Ape rate prediction 2025. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, ApeCoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2025, Ape is expected to peak at $1.32. The minimum bet could go up to $1.07 if the market turns bullish.